Let's clean a BMW M4 with Expect Car Care. Never wash your car before cleaning your wheels first. Don't touch your paint before pre-washing first. Pre-wash with snow foam and let dirt drip off. Create a lubricating barrier for a safe contact wash. Make your car shine, water and dirt repellent for 2 to 3 months with Glow Up ceramic spray coating. Use a pull-off drying towel to dry your entire car without leaving streaks of water behind. Protect your tires and give them a satin finish. Shiny leather is dirty leather. Clean it to make it matte again. And make your windows clear without leaving smears. Give your car the care it expects with Expect Car Care.